video. So today I wanted to introduce and advertise a very interesting academic textbook entitled is Advanced and Language and Education. Okay, so let's get it started. This book discusses the relationship between language, education, literacy, discourse analysis, multimodality, and corpus linguistic in modern learning context. So, if you are an English education student, language researcher, teacher, or someone interested in literacy and communication studies, these textbooks could be valuable resource for you. So in this video, I would give first a concise summary of the book, the strengths and the weakness, and the last, why this book is worth reading, and some recommendation for me. Let's move to the first part we're gonna discuss. Okay, the first is concise and clear summary of the book. First, let's talk about a general overview of the textbook. The title of this textbooks is Advanced in Language and Education. It was published by Continuum and edited by Anne McCabe, Mick O'Donnell, and Rachel Whittaker. This book mainly targets first university students, teachers, researchers, and professionals in language education and linguistics. The textbooks focus on how language education has changed in the modern era, especially because of technology, multimodal communications, discourse analysis, and corpus linguistics. Yeah. The book is divided into three main sections. Okay, the first section is about multimodality and education. Okay, this section explains how communication is no longer only based on written text, but also image, audio, videos, and digital media. For example, the book it discusses picture books, multimedia learning, visual literacy, and multimodal classroom materials. One important idea from the book is the modern students need multiliteracy, the meaning that they must understand not only written language but also visual and digital communication. Second, discourse analysis and education. The second section discusses critical discourse analysis and appraisal theory. The book explains how language can influence people's thoughts, attitudes, and perspective. Example, students are taught to become critical readers, understand hidden meanings, and analyze ideology inside the text. This section is very useful for academic writing and critical literacy development. The last section is corpus linguistic and education. This section explains how technology and digital corpora help language learning. The authors explains that language learning is not only about grammar, rules, but also about patterns, probabilities, and real language usage. Overall, these textbooks connect linguistics theory with practical educational applications in today's modern world. So, we're gonna move about the strengths and the weakness from this book. Okay, guys. So, let's move to first we're gonna discuss about the strengths. Okay, the first strength is very relevant to modern education. One major strength is that the book is highly relevant to today's educational environment. The author discuss digital literacy, multimedia learning, online communications, and multimodal text. These topics are extremely important because students today interact with technology every day. So the book feels modern and applicable to current educational context. Okay, the second strength, comprehensive and academic. Another strength is the book's depth and academic quality. The textbook contains many theories and research discussions from experts in language education and linguistics. It discusses systemic functional linguistics, critical discourse analysis, and appraisal theory. Okay. Next, because of this, readers can gain both theoretical understanding and practical insight. Yeah. Last trend is strong real educational applications. The book doesn't only explain the theories, it also shows how the theories can be applied in classrooms and literacy education. For example, analyzing children's picture books, improving academic writing, and teaching critical reading skills. This makes the textbooks useful for both teachers and students. Okay, we're gonna move to weakness from these books. The first weakness, difficult language for beginners. I think one weakness is the complexity of the language. Yeah, in this book, the textbooks use many academic and linguistics terms such as multimodality, appraisal theory, and systemic functional linguistics. It may be too hard for the beginners. So beginners for first year students may find it difficult to understand without the guidance. The second weakness, very theory heavy. The theory in this book maybe is too heavy for beginners. Another weakness is that some chapters are too theoretical. Several sections contain long explanations and detailed academic discussion. As a result, readers who prefer practical teaching activities might feel overwhelmed. Okay, the last weakness, limited visual design. Although the book discussed multimodality and visual communication, the textbook itself is still dominated by dense academic text. Its lack of figures or maybe image. Compared to modern textbooks with colorful layouts and interactive design, this book looks more formal and traditional. So visually it might feel less engaging for some readers. Okay. We're gonna move to our my recommendation. sorry, my recommendations. So why should we read this book? Okay, I think this book is very valuable, especially for English education students, researchers, and teachers. First, these textbooks helps readers understand how language works in real educational context. It teaches us that communications today is not only about grammar and vocabularies, but also about image, digital media, critical thinking, and social meaning. Second, this book is useful for improving academic literacy and critical reading skills. Readers learn how text can influence opinions and how language reflects ideology and the attitudes. Yeah. Last, this book is very beneficial for future teachers. Teachers can learn how to teach multiliteracy, how to guide the students in critical reading, and how to adapt language teaching for digital era. Okay, in the addition, the books also introduce modern approaches to language learning through technology and corpus studies. So, I recommended this book for you if you are wanted to be a teacher, want to be English teacher, want to be a professional in linguistics, and for college students, of course. Uh, Maybe that's all of my overview from this book. Thank you for watching, and thank you for attention for watching my video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.